funny, like when
Ice
somebody
cream.
says come and take a picture next to you, I feel like I have to take like.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll look in the center. We'll start with Rohit about the entire collection and the inspiration and the beautiful outfits.
Well, my collection is inspired by Gidda from Punjab. I recently visited over there to get inspiration from the farmers, the woman who works in the fields, and they really love each other. And Gidda is all celebration about mother-in-law and a daughter-in-law. So they celebrate together. My collection is derived from that, and that's the color pink comes from.
But it's
Yeah, I know it must be.
yeah.
Mom, what would you like to say? Please share your experience.
Well, I said it already. I think this is the perfect finale to the Bombay Fashion Week, the Bombay Times Fashion Week, and I couldn't have asked for a better finale. The energy, the clothes, the choreography, the jewelry, the showstoppers, everything was lovely. And thank you, Rohit, for making us
you.
part of the show. It's really lovely. Thank you.
आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? काफी एक्साइटिंग लग रही है काला गैलरी आप लगे रैप के ऊपर प्लीज बताइए व्हाट वाज द एंटायर फील
मैं यही बता सकता हूँ कि पहले तो रोहित इतने अच्छे इंसान हैं कि जिस तरह से वो अपना फैशन को पढ़ाते हैं और दिखाते हैं इतने जज्बाते हैं उसमें, इतने अच्छे सोच है, इतना कलरफुल लग रहा था। एक कल्चर सामान, फोक सामान जो गिद्दा कहते हैं हमें, तो I think he's just one of those people who like celebrates life in all its colors, and I mean everybody was looking fantastic. I mean look at Uma, she's
I know, I'm
stunning right now,
I
and
feel
look at
stunning
Sonal,
and I'm drowning.
and and it all comes from being a good person, and then when you are a good person, that shows on your fashion. So we're so happy to be like here at Bombay Times and closing the show, and it's really a pleasure to be here. Yeah.
Well, thank you guys for supporting us, supporting Gidda.
Thank
you very
Thank you.
much.
Bye.
You people are wonderful.
Picture. What are you going to ask?
थैंक यू बोलिए I'm the founder of the brand called Villa D Skin. It's all about personalization. It's all about international products and international standards. I'm wearing a beautiful outfit made by my dear friend Rohit Verma, and it's my first time on the ramp today. And it was a fantastic experience facing all the media, meeting you people, and being on the ramp. मुझे जब भी लोग देखते हैं बोलते हैं I'm a Punjabi, so I think I've done pretty good justice of looking like a Punjabi today. So yes, it was a fantastic experience. मैंने पूरा experience जो है minute details से पूरा infuse किया है. मैंने देखा है कारीगर्स को काम करते हुए, outfits बनाते हुए, and it has been a fantastic journey. Rohit has done a lot of efforts, and it takes a million tons of patience and efforts to get everything together on show.
रैप पर घबराहट होती है, लेकिन क्या किस तरह की फीलिंग्स थी?
I have not done any rehearsals. I have directly hit the ramp, and being it the first time, this was always my dream, and I think it's a dream come true for me.
Diane was there, Uma, Croatian, there were lots of other people also there.
Yes.
क्या कहोगे उनके साथ चलना भी है?
Zaid is my friend from a very long time, but getting onto celebs on the stage was a fantastic experience, something very different, and I look forward for being a showstopper of few more shows very soon.
You're a perfect example of an entrepreneur actually, or you're a model also, and you blend everything very well together. क्या कहोगे इस बारे में?
Being an entrepreneur is my passion. I love to work. I love to have creative ideas. I love to intricate something जो हमारी इंडस्ट्री में नहीं है. I love to give knowledge to people. That is what helped me being an entrepreneur. And I think अगर entrepreneur personality है तो you have to look good and you have to keep yourself good.
Last question, Bombay Times Fashion Week के बारे में क्या कहोगे overall?
I remember attending shows of Bombay Times Fashion Week 7 years back, and I never dreamt of I would be walking one of the shows. and here I am today walking for Bombay Times. It's a fantastic journey. The team has been very supportive and everything has come out really well, and it's been a great experience, and next time I'm signing a show individually very soon.